Unraveling the mystery, 5 unexplained sounds that baffle scientists. 1. Mysterious sounds linger in our world, captivating minds and sparking intrigue about their origins. 2. The bloop originated from the ocean depths, louder than a bomb, yet its source remains unknown. 3. The wow signal is a potential alien message, a radio transmission that puzzled scientists in 1977. 4. The hum is a low-frequency sound affecting thousands, causing unease and psychological disturbances worldwide. 5. UVB-76 is a creepy Russian radio signal, shrouded in mystery with speculation about its coded messages. What do you think these sounds mean? Share your thoughts below.